Through the program, you ended up going to 7 CTOs for your internship.
Yeah.
Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah,
experience?
totally. Again, I was very like job focused.
Sure.
And Etienne's pitch definitely won me over for two big reasons. The first one was mobile development. I was like, man, it would be so cool to sink my teeth into, writing a mobile app. And it was in React, so it was something that we had done before. And the second one was like the CTO's network.
Right.
Him being this San Diego figure who hosts small groups of CTOs for workshops and stuff like that. He had a very strong reach into all the different businesses, and I kind of felt like getting to work on a mobile app and exposing myself to that kind of a network was like a super good idea. And he's like very amicable, and he wins people over, and he kind of won me over, and he's an awesome dude. So I was
for sure.
Yeah, I was super glad I went there.
What was what did a day-to-day look like for the internship?
It was pretty, so it was me and two other people. And it was pretty open-ended. Like, we showed up there and he had an idea of what the project was. He said, I want to build a chat interface into my mobile app. And I was like, oh, cool. It was a Rails backend with React Native front end. And we didn't know the structure of how we were going to do it. He's like, do you guys want to split tasks up and take them individually? And we ended up saying, okay, we're going to mob program on it. And I was like, cool, this is going to be a lot of fun. So we had no idea what, WebSockets were. So the first week was we identified a couple of different methods to accomplish the goal. And we built small little proof of concepts out. And we kind of, by the end of the week, we pitched the three concepts and their pros and their cons, and ended up landing on a library that interfaced with Rails, WebSockets, and it had a hookup for React Native. And so we ended up just kind of building this chat interface from scratch, which was a lot of fun. We got to model the data, like messages and chat rooms and users, and we spent the next 3 weeks kind of putting it together. And yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
So you were there. Do you feel like by the end of it, you guys where did you end? Did you get through the task? Did you,
Yeah, so we ended up making it work for one-on-one. So
cool.
If we were to chat, it would have functioned well.
Right.
The whole project was to get group as well working, so group chats and also interest-based chats. And so there was a task there that people left and kind of got jobs. Alexa got hired at Zito, and Jack started working for his dad, building out a website. And I was kind of like, well, I'm still looking for jobs. Do you mind if I stay on and finish up the group and the interest-based chats? And he was like, yeah, absolutely. And so I kind of soloed on those tasks in my free time in between job hunting and
yeah.